everyone, my name's Tori and I'm a lead artist here at Champainting. Today I'm going to show you how to paint some stars. First, what I do with a smaller brush is dunk it into some white paint, twist and pull up, and you'll have a little bit of white paint dripping off. That's what you're going to touch your canvas with, and you're just going to do little small dots, dot dot dot. You'll get some stars. If you want to make your star look like it is shiny, what you do is you put a dot of white down first, clean off your finger, rub it in a little circle motion, and then with your brush you put that white dot of paint back and ta-da, it's shining. If you want to do a shooting star, put your dot down, place your finger on the canvas next to it and swoop across. Then what you can do after that with your small brush again, put a dot at the start. And there you go. That's how you can paint some nice twinkling stars. So please let us know in the comments below what other tips and tricks you'd like to see, and please stay tuned for our next video.